Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, you can't connect to the file share because it's not secure. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Expand SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Check SMB 1.0/CIFS client. Click OK. Click Restart now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.